Have you ever wondered how your body builds all its amazing parts? It's thanks to some helpers. Who is the boss? Remember the nucleus? It's the brain of the cell. It holds all the secret instructions building you. But who actually read these instructions? Meet the ribosomes. Ribosomes are tiny construction workers inside our cells. Their job is to make proteins. The proteins are the building blocks of life. You know, na? Proteins are our building blocks. Now let's understand this. Let's take a story of a factory. In the factory, there are instructions and there are workers. The same thing happens in your cell. Your cell is like a busy factory and the instructions are in the nucleus, and the workers which produces the product are the ribosomes. They take the instruction, means ribosome take the instructions and build everything your body needs. Now let's move forward. Yeah, and the types of ribosome. There are two types of ribosomes. The first one is free ribosome and the second one is attached ribosome, and their main work is protein synthesis. I will show you the structure of the ribosome. See here. Yeah. This is the structure of ribosome. Let's take only one. This is the smaller subunit, and this is, take it here, larger subunit. You will understand it later, but this is a rough structure of a ribosome. One small circle and attached with a bigger one. Now let's understand the two types of ribosomes. Now you see the free ribosome. The free ribosomes, by the name you can understand, they are free in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, you know, na, the cell. And the attached ribosomes stick to a special part of the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum we will understand later. Now let's understand its structure of the ribosome. Each ribosome has two parts like a sandwich, as I have shown you earlier, a larger subunit and a smaller subunit. They come together, so let's understand it. This one is larger subunit and this one is smaller subunit. This is our ribosome. A rough diagram of ribosome. I hope you understand. Now, why ribosomes are super important? What is their functions? So their function is to build muscles, and the example of muscles is biceps. You know this, na? Protein helps to build muscles grow and faster, and it keep you smart. Ribosome helps in keeping you smart, yeah, because it helps in brain functioning by making the proteins. It also run your body because it make enzymes. Enzymes is also a type of protein, and it also fight germs because it generate antibodies. Antibodies is also a type of protein. So everything in our body is dependent on protein, and protein is made by ribosomes. So that's why ribosome is very important. Now let's take a quick ribosome recap. The ribosome are teeny builders. Ribosomes are the cell's protein factories. You know, a factory? Yeah, this factory. Yeah, a rough diagram of factory. Second one, it follows instruction. They read plans from the nucleus. They are like workers. They read plans and perform by that plan. They found in two locations, as you read. They first one they found freely in the cell, and the second one they are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. It means ER. We will understand this organelle later in the later videos. And ribosomes are very essential for life because they build all protein your body needs. And your body is built up of what? Your body is built up of proteins. And this protein is built up by ribosomes. So that's why ribosome becomes very important. So that's it for today. I hope you find it easy. The ribosome topics, I hope you understand it. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more amazing biology adventures. Goodbye.